Imagine this. 66 million years ago, Earth was a wild, untamed place, teeming with life and mystery. The continents looked different, the air was thick and humid, and strange plants towered over the landscape. It was a world unlike anything we know today. Dinosaurs ruled the land, from towering predators like Tyrannosaurus rex to gentle giants such as Brachiosaurus, all roaming vast forests, endless plains, and steamy swamps. Their footsteps thundered across the earth, and their calls echoed through ancient valleys. Then, in what felt like an instant, boom, the age of dinosaurs was over. The reign of these incredible creatures ended in a cataclysmic event that changed the course of life on Earth forever. But what really happened? What force was powerful enough to wipe out such dominant animals? This question has fascinated scientists and the public alike for generations. For decades, scientists have debated this great mystery, piecing together clues from rocks, fossils, and even chemical signatures left behind in ancient sediments. The most famous suspect? A massive asteroid, hurtling through space at unimaginable speed. About the size of a city, this space rock slammed into what's now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, carving out a crater over 100 miles wide. The impact site, known as the Chicxulub crater, is still visible today, buried beneath layers of Earth. The impact released more energy than 1 billion nuclear bombs. Imagine the shockwaves, the firestorms, and the devastation that followed. It was a disaster on a scale our planet had never seen. The sky darkened with dust and ash, blocking sunlight for months, maybe even years. Day turned to night, and the world grew cold and dark. Temperatures dropped, plants died, and the food chain collapsed from the bottom up. Without sunlight, nothing could grow, and soon there was nothing left for the plant eaters, or the predators that hunted them. For the dinosaurs, it was a game-over moment. Their world ended almost as quickly as it had begun, leaving only bones and fossils behind. But here's where it gets interesting. The story isn't as simple as a single asteroid strike. Not everyone thinks the asteroid worked alone. Some researchers believe there were other forces at play, making the extinction even more complex. Around the same time, giant volcanoes in India, called the Deccan Traps, erupted for thousands of years. These eruptions were among the largest in Earth's history. These eruptions spewed out toxic gases, like sulfur and carbon dioxide, and covered the land in thick layers of lava. The air became poisonous, and the climate shifted dramatically. Some scientists believe the volcanoes started the downfall, weakening ecosystems and stressing animal populations. And the asteroid was just the final blow that finished the job. And there are even wilder theories, like deadly diseases spreading among dinosaur populations, sudden climate change, or even a combination of disasters that struck one after another, leaving the dinosaurs with no escape. But here's what most experts agree on. It wasn't just one thing. The extinction was likely the result of several catastrophic events happening at once, creating a perfect storm of destruction. Earth was already under stress when that asteroid hit. Ecosystems were fragile, and many species were struggling to survive even before the final disaster. The dinosaurs didn't stand a chance. Their world was simply overwhelmed by forces beyond their control. But their story doesn't end there. Incredibly, not all dinosaurs vanished. Some small feathered species survived and eventually evolved into the birds we see today. Today, birds are considered the last surviving dinosaurs. Every chirp, every flight, is a living echo of that ancient world. Every time you see a sparrow or a hawk, you're looking at a living fossil, a reminder of that ancient lost world and the resilience of life itself. So what killed the dinosaurs? A cosmic accident, fiery volcanoes, and a planet in chaos, all working together to end an era and make way for something new. The next time you look up at the night sky, remember, the universe can change everything in a heartbeat. Our world is shaped by forces both seen and unseen, And the story of the dinosaurs is a powerful reminder of just how quickly everything can change.